I bought all of these so you don't have to, so let's try them out together. You're probably thinking, Avery, you're literally crazy. You have so much shit you don't need anymore. I know. I'm just so obsessed with e.l.f. right now and all their little lippy products that they're coming out with. We're gonna test these out first. Literally, first impression, this is beautiful. Okay, let's do a smell test. It's very minty. Oh, it goes on like butter. Is 10 out of 10, smells good, even tastes good. Yes, I got some in my mouth. Let's move on to this bad boy. She is beauty, she is grace, she's e.l.f. Moment of truth, moment of truth, moment of truth. I hate thick lip oils. This is not thick. This is perfect. These are my two new obsessions.